So I was just looking around Facebook Marketplace and came across these two here. Got that one when I went to pick this one up because the guy has a lot of vacuums. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at both of these before I refurb them. So we have this Bissell powerforce bagless 6583 10 amp from 2009. This one is the powerforce Helix Turbo Rewind PET, and it's $17.97 from 2021. So let's see. This one's complete, has all the attachments. Even this too has all the attachments. And yeah, and if we take a look down, brush seems fine, just needs a little cleaning. Yeah, that needs to be emptied, and the filter, yeah, that needs to be cleaned too. Looks like it's been neglected. Like, the seller told me he cleaned it up, but I don't know if it was actually cleaned, and it doesn't smell good either. Yeah, this needs to be washed out. Did a good job at keeping the pre-motor filter clean, but this post-motor filter is bad. So that needs to be cleaned. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and run the 6583 first, as that's the most interesting one here. Alright. These are actually really good vacuums. If you take care of them, they're gonna easily last you over a decade. Because the 6583, this is from 2009. It still works good. Probably the motor fan needs some cleaning. But let's see. Let's plug it in. Alright, let's run it. Sounds fine, not perfect, because that one, the one I have over there, actually sounds really good though. But that one I actually decided to keep because, you know, the powerforce was actually my childhood vacuum. But this, probably I could polish up the commutator and clean up the fan. And this one also doesn't smell good, so maybe a deep wash would help. So let's just see how much suction this has. Still has decent suction, but maybe a cleaning would help. Because this is complete, has all the attachments. Alright. Let's test out this rewind. This one, brush seems good. The belt also seems good. And let's check the filter here. Little dirty. Could just wash that out. Canister looks like it was been emptied. Let's just open that. Oh. Okay, the filter looks okay, but I could still wash it. And this one's complete, has the turbo brush, has the dusting brush, the extension one, and Clapzz tools in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this one too. Oh, so many mosquitoes outside. this one has the rewind like you see. So yeah, I'm just gonna plug it in right there. Let's see how this rewind does. Sounds fine. I don't know where that excess noise is coming from. I believe it's the height adjustment thing, cause it doesn't look like it's the brush roll bearings. Cause if it was, that would be a hassle to replace. Cause it's just spending extra money. Yep. And let's see the height adjustment works. Alright, so far both of these vacuums seem in physically good shape, and both of them need a refurb cleaning, and maybe they can be used again. And I'm gonna be listing both of these. That one I'd probably list for 50 or 60. That one probably around 40 or 45. This one. This one, the brush is good too. Let's see. Yep, seems fine. So just the cleaning and some plastic dressing would make it look good. Looks like the 32nd day of 2009, 10 amps. The dusting brush holder seems fine because most of these like wear out and the tool just falls out. So this one looks like the owners maintained it well, just needs a good cleaning. The hose seems good. And this one also seems good. So both of these vacuums run good. They are physically in good condition. So we just need a repair and refurb, because I don't think any like replacement is needed, just a deep cleaning. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll probably try making a video on the refurb, and we'll see how good these vacuums turn out after the refurb. Thank you for watching, guys.